You've never seen Hiccups this cute, just wait for the last one. But first, hit like and subscribe if you think this cat is too cute and leave a heart comment if you love them. 1. Dog. 2. Kitten. 3. Capybara. 4. Alpaca. Which one made you laugh the most?